Hi everyone, my name is Taufik, design engineer at Tenet Technetronics. Today I will be taking you through two products and also will be giving a brief introduction on how the product works and what is it actually. Hello everyone, today I will be taking you a brief introduction about a voltage regulator. In electronics, a linear regulator is a system used to maintain a steady voltage. The resistance of the regulator varies in accordance with the load, resulting in constant output voltage. The regulating device is made to act like a variable resistor, which continuously adjusts a voltage to maintain a constant output voltage and continuously dissipates the difference between the input and regulated voltage as waste heat. This is a 7805 voltage regulator, a 3-terminal positive linear voltage regulator, as you can see, which has a 5-volt fixed output voltage and it has a maximum current of 1.5 amps. This regulator does not require any additional components to provide a constant regulated source of power, making them easy to use, and it is efficient and economical when compared to other regulators, because other regulators may require additional components like SMPS for output voltage level and for regulation process. And this regulator also has a built-in protection against a circuit drawing too much power, protection from overheating, it has a thermal shutdown control, it has a safe area protection, and it sometimes also provides not only protection to the regulator but also provides protection to all other circuits, all other components that are part of the circuit. Thank you for listening to this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com.